Uber stock explained in detail. Let's start. So hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Rijul and I make content related to finance as well as technology on my channel. And in this video, we'll be talking about Uber stock and each and every detail of the Uber stock. And personally, I use Robinhood for that. Robinhood is a trading platform where you can go and buy stocks, invest into stocks. And as an international student, it is pretty much easy because it's very straightforward. I will be putting a link of the Robinhood app in the description below. There's a sign up bonus going right now that if you sign up from the link, you'll get $200 or 3 to 4 stocks. If you're interested in that, please sign up. If not, continue watching the video and you'll get very informative, like it is an informative session. So let's start. So if I go to the Uber, I'm on Robinhood. I just type in Uber and basically I am shown this one. So Uber's current price is 28.83, as you can see here, 28.83. Okay, and currently Uber, I think personally my strategy for Uber is not of the long term, because I think if you go into Robinhood and if you type in not click in 1 year, in 1 year it will be going down $9.38. Okay, and in 5 years, if you see, it will be going down, it is $13.17. Okay, so this is basically how Uber has been performing in the past 5 years. The performance is not great. I just invested into the stock because it is $30 and I personally believe that Uber is here to stay. But I think I don't know, like in the 5 years it is not returned that much, so I tend to hold it for a year and then see if I'm getting a return or not, and then eventually sell the stock. So that would be my plan if it does not gain much value into the next 5 years. Again, this is an estimate. It might be correct, it might be wrong. So if you go below, as you can see, it basically tells you your position, number of shares you have, market value, average cost, and portfolio diversity. So market value is a value market is willing to pay for the stock right now. Average cost is how much the Uber usually averages around, which is 22.90, as you can see. And also the two more things, today's return and total return, and that will only come when you invest into the stock market. If you're not investing into Uber, these two things will not be showing to you because there is no return if you're not buying a stock. And now basically if you go below, it will give you a lot of things about Uber, how Uber is CEO of Uber, when it was founded, number of employees, headquarters, and that all stuff. But I think the main important thing is the start. So take a picture of the start chart. I'll be putting a picture of the start chart. Take a screenshot of that and I will explain you each and every part of that. So now I hope you have taken a picture of that. So as you can see, open is 29.95. So 29.95 is the average, is a total price of Uber, which it went when it opened, when the market opened, the open rate was $29.95. High it went 30.09. Low it went 28.83. Now two more things are there: 52-week high, 52-week low. In the past 52-week, the highest value of Uber, which was 42.56. Again, I'm telling this from the stats chart, which I put a picture. You can refer that back, and I can also show you here. So as you can see here, so 52-week low was 19.90. These are basically as simple as that. Now let us talk about the volume, average volume, and the market cap. So now let us talk about volume. So as you can see, volume is 25.26 million. So this is basically telling you that if you go on the chart, it basically tells you like the number of shares traded during a particular time period, which is 25.56 million. The average number of shares being traded in a particular time period was 18.05 million. The market cap is 57.76 billion. Market cap is not that important right now. Two things you might note there, that there is no P ratio and there is no dividend yield. So if you buy an Uber stock, you're not getting anything in return except of the return which the stock gives. So dividend yield is, for example, Apple gives you some dividend yield, like Apple dividend yield was 0.67. So 0.67% of the Apple stock value is being returned to you in dollars, like annually. But Uber does not give you anything. So I think that is why I'm not investing that much heavily into Uber, because there is no dividend yield of Uber. And I personally, my plan is to hold it for a year and then see if the value is rising or not, and eventually sell it. Because if I'm not getting any dividend yield from that, I tend to not keep the stock. And also I invested into Uber, just one share of Uber, which was $25 at that time, because I personally believed in the company, and because Uber has been into the market since a long time, since 2009, and it is here to stay because right now everyone needs Uber and Lyft, these all apps, and I think that is my reason. So this is it for the video, guys, and I hope you really liked the video and got an informative session out of that. And in the next video I'll be talking about whether you should be investing in Uber right now or not. There are 2 factors related to that and I'll be talking about them in the next video. और इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.